have the articles and the plurals. Now, what is the articles? Articles, in that articles, we have a and the also, which is not included here. A. It is used for the we are used for the singular noun. We are used for the singular noun. For example, a jar, okay, a jar, a cow, a girl, a book, okay, a jar, a cow, a book, a lovely field. It's used for a singular noun. And here you can see here, student, and it's article and we are used for the singular noun itself, but here we are using and before vowel sound. Everyone's know about the vowel sound. There are the 5 vowel sound. There are 5 vowel sounds: A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. You must have read in your previous classes. There are 5 vowel sounds. So before vowels, singular noun, we have to use an earthen pot. See, it's a vowel sound. An earthen pot. An eyebrow. Okay, an aeroplane. All right. So, and it's used for the singular noun, and a it's a use for the singular noun. But we are use and just in a vowel sound words like earthen pots, like eyebrows, like aeroplane. All right. These are the articles we have used. Now, plurals. Everyone's know about the singular and what is the plural. Plural, if you have the so many things, so many people, so many animals, that is the plural. If you have one single, that is the singular. That is the singular. If you have so many things, that is the plural. If you don't single, that is the single thing. For example, I'm sharing a whiteboard with you. If suppose I have only a one pen, that is include a singular. If suppose I have a two pen, so it will a plural. Okay, sorry. It will a plural. Okay, so the writing and the word sound is also different. If I have one pen, so how I should be write? P-E-N, pen. But if I have two pens, so how I should be write? Pens. So this is comes under the plural, this is comes under the singular. Okay, singular, that means one thing. And if you have so many things, that is the plural. That is the plural. I hope singular and plural doubts it's clear to all. Okay, so wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wrote here. I will write here book. B-O-O-K, book. All right, book. 1 second. Only just book. Just tell me, this is a singular or plural? Book is a singular or plural? Okay. Sneha, good. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. It's a singular. Very good. It's a singular, just a singular. But if I wrote there books, B-O-O-K-S, books. Books. So what it would be? Plural. What it would be? Plural. Once again. It will be a plural. Now here the book is just a singular. Is just a singular. What kind of art, what kind of article I have to use? Which article? A or an? Which article I have to use in this both? Purvacha, you are written there an. How supposed to come an? Very good, Tanishka, Arnav. And beta and will not come there. Okay, and will not come there because you can see the starting word b is there, and b it's not a vowel sound, it's a consonant. Understood? And book, it shows it is the singular, So that means a book, a book. Only a specific a book. Which book? The book name is not mentioned there. Just a book. So a book, that means a singular, a book. All right. If suppose I will rub all this thing, I rub all this thing. If suppose I have written there ice cream, everyone's like na ice cream. If I return there ice cream, forget about ice cream, just a ice. If I return there ice, so what article I have to use here? A or an? An. Very good. Why I have to use here an? Why I have to use there an? Because here the consonant, sorry, vowel sound is there. Vowel letter is there. I. So I have to use there an because this is a singular. Okay. So everyone's understood about the articles, singular and plural.